Hey kids!
Hey kid.
It's me, Kit the Explorer. K-I-T.
And
That's me.
Miles.
And Miles. And who else do we have with us?
Tahi.
Hey kids, it's me, Chauncey. And where are we right now?
A park.
Where are we right now?
A park.
A park. Oh, hey Miles, what's a park? What is a park?
You play on park.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun. I've never been to a park. Kids, do you think Miles can show me around the park? What do you think?
Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Tahi.
Come on, kids. We're gonna show Chauncey around the park, and I'm gonna learn how to ride a slide. Now, kids, Chauncey has never been on a slide before, so Miles and I are gonna teach Chauncey how to go down the slide. But Miles, I'm kind of scared to go down the slide. Do you have any tips? What do you have to say to Chauncey about being scared?
I don't know.
You don't know? You mean you're gonna send me down a slide without knowing anything about him?
Come on.
Oh, okay, I'll follow Miles. Come on, kids. Oh, Chauncey, you're so heavy. I eat a lot, so. Hey, kids, we're looking for a slide right now. Come on, kids, we're gonna head up the playground and look for a slide. Miles, is that a slide over there?
Yeah.
Well, kids, I think that Miles has spotted a slide. Should we show Chauncey how to go down? Let's go. Well, I think we're here at a slide now. Can you tell Chauncey how to go down the slide? How do you do it, Miles? That looks pretty scary to me. Can you show me how to do it so I'm not so scared? It is fun, kids. It's always fun to go down a slide. And the important thing to remember is we always go down the slide and never up. Does that make sense, Chauncey? Yeah, okay. Miles, don't do it. Don't do it. It looks so steep. Miles is going down and it looks like he's doing just fine. Are you ready to go down, Chauncey? Okay, but will you hold me? Sure. Are we doing it right, Miles? Okay, here we go. Wow! That was pretty fun, wasn't it, Miles? That was awesome. Yeah, it's pretty fun to go down a slide, huh, Chauncey? Yeah, except I think I'm gonna go take a rest now, so you and Miles have fun, okay? Okay, should we go explore the playground together?
Yeah.
And Chauncey will join us at the end of the episode. We'll see you in a little bit, kids. Enjoy the show. Kids, should we explore the rest of the playground with
Yes.
Miles?
Yeah.
There's so much stuff to do here, and what sound does playground start with? Let's sound it out. Can you say playground?
Yeah. Playground.
What sound does that start with? Playground.
Playground.
That sounds like the letter P to me, and that sound is made by puffing air out of your lips. Can you try it with me? Playground. Come on, let's go check it out, Miles. Whoa, what is this thing? What is this? This looks like kind of a ladder. Make sure if you're climbing a ladder at the playground, you're tall enough to reach each rung on the ladder. Ripley's not tall enough, so we need to make sure she doesn't climb it. But Miles is, so he can climb to the top and go down the slide. Come on, Ripley, let's watch him go down the slide. Come on, come here. Go Miles, woohoo! Now I'm gonna go down the slide. Since Ripley's too small to climb the ladder, I'm gonna help her up. Come on, Ripley. Whoa! Now she's on the top, and I'll climb up to help her down the slide. Always make sure you help your little brothers and sisters who are too tiny to do it by themselves. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Whoa! That was a fun little slide, but I see all kinds of crazy things to do at this playground. Miles, Ripley, I see something that we should check out and see if Chauncey wants to try. It's a big slide on the big kids' playground. Should we go look at it?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Run.
Run to the playground, run to the playground. Let's go, come on. Whoa, Miles, let's go. Up the playground, up the stairs. Whoa, this is such a cool playground. Come on.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa, it's a rickety rope bridge. Oh, are you gonna make it, Miles? I don't think I'm gonna make it. Whoa! You made it though, high five. Good job. Come on. We're gonna check out a different part of the playground. I see something that's green. What do you see that's green? I see a big green slide. I think we should check it out, and then maybe we can bring Chauncey back so that he can try a big slide. What do you think? Let's go, Miles, and let's see if we can stay on the platform. If we fall off the platform, who knows what'll happen? Go ahead. Yeah! Do the next one. Here we go! Jump! We did it! Come on, kids. We're gonna climb the playground to the top of that big green slide.
Let's go, let's run up the playground, Miles. Run. Woo! We're getting so high.
Miles is gonna go down the big slide now. Are you ready? Are you brave enough to go by yourself? Go ahead and give it a try. Here goes Miles. I'm coming down right after him. Whoa! Let's go find Chauncey so that he can try one of the big slides. What do you think? Let's go find Chauncey. Come on. Miles saw something that's really, really cool that he wanted to show you. Should we go show Ripley? Let's go. It's a painting on the side of this playground. On the side of this building is a woolly mammoth skeleton. Did you know that woolly mammoths are ancient relatives of the elephant? Their skeletons looked like that, and it was kind of like a big, hairy elephant. Wow, their hair kept them so warm. But on a hot summer day like this, it would have made the woolly mammoth so hot, and that's probably why they went extinct. But I think this big slide, I think that's big enough for Chauncey to try. What do you think? I think we should take Chauncey down the slide and see if he likes it. Should we get Chauncey back over here? Chauncey! It's me, Chauncey! Well, should we go down the big slide with Chauncey? It might be too big for me, though. What do you say to Chauncey? Do you think he'll be safe? How can we make Chauncey feel better? Well, Miles, I think I'm too scared to go down. Is that okay? It's okay that Chauncey's too scared, and when you're at a playground, the #1 rule of safety is if something makes you uncomfortable, you don't have to do it. Right, Miles? That's right. I think I'm gonna stay up here, but can you show me how you go down? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Miles. Whoa! Well, kids, that was a crowded and crazy episode of Kit Explorers, don't you think, Miles? But we were so happy that we got to explore a playground with all you kids at home, and we were happy that we got to show Chauncey around the playground, even though he was too scared to go down the slide, huh? Well, chameleons are really scared of heights, so I said, no way! And that's okay. Well, we'll see you guys next time, and parents, don't forget to follow us on Instagram @KitExplores, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more fun and educational videos for your little ones. Can you say bye, Miles? Bye, we'll see you later. Bye!